Hello everyone, welcome for today's webinar. Today our topic is smart communication with Ivory. Balluff Ivory. Today I will introduce our Balluff group, Balluff Ivory, new Balluff Ivory Master, and Balluff Solution and Best Practice. We open new capacity. Sensor and networking technology for unmatched efficiency and quality. Balluff is fourth generation family business. It's more than 100 years. We have more than 30,000 customers in and partners in the global. Also, we also almost 4,000 employees in worldwide. We have over 60 countries with and 38 own subsidiaries and numerous representatives and several experienced manufacturers in global. In 1981, Gilbert Balluff founded the company as a mechanical repair workshop. He entry into the sensor technology and further development of the portfolio in 1956. Gilbert Balluff found of the first foreign subsidiary and start of the international business in 1971, sorry. Right. Okay. In 2021, we continue development of the automation innovative and to meet the customer needs. Our passion for industrial automation, we lead our customer to a success future. With innovative solution, we improve the competitive position of our customer with speed and result. We have 38 subsidiaries for sales, production, logistics, and development with further 68 represented in the country. In Asia Pacific, we have Japan. We have an office in Japan, Australia, Singapore, South Korea, Malaysia, and so on. Balluff involved in automotive assembly system, robotics and automotive, battery, energy, semiconductor and electronics, packaging, food and beverage, metalworking and metallurgy. Product area. Whatever you need, Balluff is your committed partner who escort you into Industry 4.0. Our service, we have project management, customer solution, account management, technical assistant. Any technical is in any technical problem, you may just come to find us. Now we start our today topic is smart communication with Balluff Ivory. What is Balluff? What is the smart communication? It is the sensor for the communication with the PLC feed level to communicate with the control level. There is a bottom you see a sensor or actuators to communicate with the PLC. Three types of the master have emerged in the last 50. Sorry, we have the three master Ivory sensor integration master, device integration master, control actuator master. Sensor integration master primary purpose is to bring smart sensor integration, no output capacity, characterized by low power, typically 3.68 at 24 watts or less. Typically does not have offer secondary adjacent power. Device integration master, integration of wide variety of eye-only device possible, including valve manifolds, vacuum pumps, and reverse, characterized by mixed force powers 3.6A to 8A. Offer more flexibility than sensor-only master, but less than control architecture master. It control architectures master. It designed with integration of wide variety of IO-Link and non-IO-Link device line. Highest amount of flexibility of form modularity is high power, typically 9A for attraction power and 9A for device power. It typically allows standing on 4-pound cable throughout the architecture. This is different for the IO-Link master with no IO-Link master. Okay. IO-Link, the universal integration for the sensor and data information. It enables data-driven quality assurance in building process, seamless sensor to cloud connectivity, real-time condition monitoring for smart manufacturing, quick swap IoT sensor and device to minimize downtime, simplify wiring, efficient setup, and advanced fault diagnostic. What IO-Link master station for doing? It connect with the sensor cable power supply, inductive cable, RFID smart line, I/O module. So this is our complete portfolio for the IO-Link. You've got black line, silver line, watchdown line, and safe line. The whatever the the master hub, the level is more higher, the features were more get the you see the advanced level there. You will get more additional two features. There are the port class type B and additional IIoT features in development. So let's forego new Balluff IO-Link products, Blacklight. This is our Balluff IO-Link portfolio. Blackline is a new product, entry level, standard level, and advanced level. You can see that the advanced level have a more additional two features, control adjuster up to 4/8 and control high power outputs. Okay, for the advanced IO-Link master from the backline, it designed to solve demanding application seamlessly, connect IO-Link device, high power outputs, and leverage advanced IoT to features. Sorry. New platform, enhanced performance and memory, multi-protocol with Profinet, Internet IP, Ethercat. Power concept with M12 output with 68 max. Whereas with IO-Link ports class A and class B, IoT supports with REST API and MQTT. Flexible networking configuration, usability view web UI. Maximum current output up to 4A per pin. Robust IP67 negative 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay. Standard IO-Link master from web. It offers to power scale up your automation and sort application that require more flexibility. New platform enhance performance and memory, multi-protocol with Profinet, Internet IP, Internet CAP. Power concept with M12 output with 60A max or 7 over 8 with 9A max, whereas with IO-Link ports class A. IoT support with REST API and QTT. Flexible network configuration, usability view web UI, high current output up to 2A per pin, robust output IP67, negative 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Entry IO master from backline. It offers the power to scale up your automation and solve the applications that require more flexibility. New platform with higher performance, multi-protocol with Profinet, Internet IP, Internet CAP, power concept with M12 output with max 4A per module, whereas with IO-Link ports class A, IoT support with REST API, MQTT, usability view web UI, simplify wiring by M12 power dicing canning, reduce IP61, 67, negative 25 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, these are our new products. BNI K00KH, BNI00KJ1, BNI00L3, and BNI00L1. You can see that there's from advanced until to entry level. But for this black line, the housing material is a plastic material. Silver line. We will for the silver line, I will master from the silver lines. It designed to solve demanding applications, seamless connect IO-Link device, high power outputs, and leverage advanced IoT features. New platform enhance performance and memory, multi-protocol with Profinet, Internet IP, Ethercat, power concept with M12 put with a 60A max, whereas with the IO ports 8 times class A and 4 times class A plus 4 times class B. IoT support with REST API and QPP, flexible network with configuration, usability view built-in display and web UI. Maximum current output up to 4A per pin, reduce IP67 negative 5 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. And the memory master from the silver line. It offers power to scale up your automation and solve the application that require more flexibility. New platform with the high performance, legacy with the individual protocols, power concept with the 708 with the 9A max, whereas with the IO-Link ports class A, IoT support with the REST API and QTT. Flexible network configuration, usability view built-in display and web UI. Maximum current output up to 4A per pin. Reduce IP67 negative 5 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Is our black line model BNI00K6, BNI00K7, BNI00HL, and BNI0068. For this black line, the difference is The housing material is metal. IO helps from silver line. Square up your automation solution with IO modules. Combine the silver line IO master with a range of IO modules in order to reduce shell cable management, connect safety device to your application safety over everything. Safety strip actuators expand your automation by integrating more sensor and actuators. Key feature of the Balluff Master status display LED, multi-code protocol, IoT ready, configuration box, and EG mounting. Balluff solution and the best practice. The six classical application for the engine master application: measurement, display, identification, sensor, hubs, and wall island connector. The benefits, the best value for the money. It can save cost for your company. Everyone is saved cost now. Increase competitiveness, reliable transmission of machine and diagnostics data, as well as process parameters to the control system. IIoT insight and multi-protocol usability, integrate and integrate web UI. Is a standard master application, single BNI for the common PLC environment. It will deliver up to 2A per port and up to 16A total current. Due to 16A total current, enable to efficient integration of a lot of our device. Benefit. Flexible configuration and easy communication, and stand operation temperature range 60A power DC cleaning with M12 output, multi-protocol, Profinet Ethernet IP, Ethercat, Modbus TCP, REST API, MQTT. For the advanced master application, single BNI for the common PLC environment, free distributed to connected load through the adjusted port current. Output current max up to 4A port can meet greater load requirements. The benefit of multi-protocol, easy to access IIoT platform with REST API. More IoT hubs have support 4A output current of for max application. New demand for standout with a new market standard M12 output. Same, daisy chaining. Today, my is my presentation is the last. Any question for the technical or for the new Master Hub, you may send us an email. We will get back to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.